Idaho mom, suspected of being involved in the disappearance of her children, arrives back in her home state today to face charges. She's being held on $5 million bail since her arrest in Kauai last month. Her two children, 7-year-old Joshua Vallow, known as JJ, and 17-year-old Tylee Ryan, have not been seen since September. Jonathan Vigliotti is in Rexburg, Idaho, where Vallow will appear before a judge later today. Jonathan, what are the people there saying about this case?
And good morning to you, Gayle. Residents here in Rexburg, Idaho knew that this case turned a new chapter when the FBI rolled here into town. This is their mobile command center. It is parked here behind the local police department. As they continue to collect evidence, Lori Vallow will appear tomorrow before a judge to face charges that include child abandonment.
Lori Vallow appeared before a Hawaii judge for the last time Wednesday before being extradited to Idaho. She's facing several charges, including 2 counts of felony abandonment in the disappearance of her children, Tylee Ryan and Joshua JJ Vallow.
This is the first step in the courthouse in Idaho, which will trigger a cascading series of events in the legal process.
Vallow could face up to 14 years in prison for each count of desertion of a child. Her Idaho attorneys have filed routine court documents asking the judge to reduce her bond and requesting documents and evidence from the prosecution.
Just tell people what's happening.
I have no doubt that Lori Vallow would love to know what the FBI and any other agency is doing in this investigation. So what's the easiest way to do that? File a motion for discovery and see if you can get everything.
JJ's grandmother, Kay Woodcock, is in Idaho for the hearing.
I have total 100% belief that it's going to happen. She's going to be held accountable 100% for everything.
Attorneys for Lori's adult niece, Melanie Pulowski, who's also faced questions about the children's whereabouts, say she is now cooperating with FBI investigators and has surrendered her computer. In addition to the case of the missing children, 3 mysterious deaths surround Vallow and her current husband, Chad Daybell, including Vallow's previous husband, Charles Vallow, her brother, Alex Cox, and Chad's previous wife, Tammy.
The government may want to use this case in order to get them to fess up some information about all of those other suspicious deaths.
And sources tell us that investigators are now looking through a trove of digital evidence that could show a network of foul play. Alex Cox killed his brother-in-law. There is now the belief that he could be linked to the death of Tammy Daybell. Cox died in December, Anthony, before he could be questioned.
All right, Jonathan, thank you so much.